Hey guys, my name is Luca and I'm just going to start posting videos on YouTube about how to build Lego stuff, and today we are going to learn how to build a Lego motorcycle. So how about you come over here and let's get started. So you are going to need this. It's not an actual piece, I just put together the pieces. You're going to need that piece. 3 of those, this piece, and that piece to make this. So let's turn that around and do this. That, and then that. So it equals that. And then we need this. You're going to need 5 of the normal 1, or like a, let me show you. I'll give an example. This. You're going to need that. We need 7 of those. 1 of this. 1 like little window piece. Like that. And then you need to have a flat piece, and then 1 of those pieces. So, should we get started? Because I think we should. So, first you need to build that, and pause the video if you want, because it's no rush. I'm not rushing you. Just take however long you want. And I'm a little clumsy, so I might drop the pieces. You're going to need a Lego guy, but doesn't matter who he is. I'm just going to use Irjitsu Zane. You need 2 tires. And then you're going to need these. You need to have some connectors and put them in, and then put connectors in here. So let's get started and put 2 tires on here. Then get this piece and put it on here. Turn it around and do this. And then the noises is coming from my sister's cat. And she's videoing me right now because I can't video myself. I can't hold it and build it. And then you need to do this. I just messed up a little. And this is my sister's cat. My name is Cinnamon.
She's so cute.
And then get 3 of these pieces. 1 pieces. Doesn't matter what color. I mean, you can do any color you want. Just be creative like I am. And I do really like Legos. I mean, I love them. I think they're so fun, and they are the best time killer. Put this. So then you get an awesome motorcycle. Put your fingers down on here and do this. It doesn't go that far, but you can do that. You mostly play with it like this. Or it can be used for decorations. Then get 2, I like to call them vent pieces. Put them right here, backwards. Then get 2 of these, doesn't matter what color. And then do this. And then just keep adding till they go above the tire. Let's see. Yeah, I think it goes above the tire. So now what we're going to do is this. Just like that. And then, I forgot, but you need to take this piece, take it off, might have fell apart, and do this. Take one like thing that has one piece on it, and then put it back together. Because this piece is very important. And you need to get two of these pieces and kind of take it apart a little bit. And then do that. Might have fell apart just a little bit. And then my cat might be meowing a little bit, and it's okay.
They hate when they're apart from each other.
And just a minute, I need to go.
Okay, let's go see his cat. There she is. Say hi.
And then you're going to need
Okay.
extra little one pieces. And then, ooh, that was an accident. Put it like this. And then put it on the motorcycle. So it looks like that.
Boom, boom.
Then you need to get two of these holders. Call them that. And
Don't
then
press on the camera, Ginger. And
you need to get 4 one pieces and put them on top of that. And then do that.
it looks amazing.
I like to call them like little antennas.
Let's see that. Oh.
Oh man, I just forgot to do something.
No.
Man.
What you
have
doing,
to
Ginger?
do that. Take off those little one pieces if you add them on. And you have to do this. Put them right here. And then do that. My dad just sneezed.
He sneezes so loud.
And then you need to get these 4 pieces. Put them in the front, right behind those like things you put on the tires. And then do the same thing on the back, right here. And then you need 2 headlights. Doesn't matter what color. Just put like some neon pieces there. And then the like little laser piece. I like to call it a laser piece. You put it right there.
Get
so
out.
it gets like that. Don't step all over my Lego
Cats
pieces.
will not step on your Legos if you have any animals at home. Any kittens.
And then you
They
get
always
these, put
miss
them in
the
the
pieces.
front. And then do that. Put those 2 vent pieces up right here. And then it's good. Then put the other 2 hold pieces right there in the middle of those 2 bricks. And then you need to do this. You can put them right here. Well, my little cat is looking for Non's little cat. And then you do this.
It's my
to
name.
Make
Luca's sister.
like when you put it down, it will like slant to one side like this. But then you need to put those 2 pieces, so it goes like that. Stand still. But when you play with it and roll it, you lift them up, and it rolls perfectly. And it might not be a realistic motorcycle, but it's fine.
Pretty.
And then you need to get these pieces.
Let's show them what pieces.
These pieces. Put them right here. And then you do it again right where the like stands are. So it goes like that. And you might think of them as little wings, like if you're playing and it pretends to go off a cliff. We're flying And then you put these things, put them right there.
Owie! Don't bite me.
And a long time ago, I don't know how, but I figured out how to make a Lego sidecar.
Oh, so
And-
maybe one of your other videos you can show them how to make a sidecar.
Yep, maybe. It's going to be like a little trilogy, like a Batman trilogy.
It's like in those movies where people have the side things, the cars.
Yeah, you put those back when there's a remaining one piece right here. You get the leftover 3 piece and put it there. Then you put 2 other pieces right there. Make sure they are very straight and then put them right here. Ooh.
Show them where to put that, Luca.
Put them right here on top.
Perfect.
And then do that. The parents are talking about boring stuff.
Dreams that they had.
Yeah, maybe. And then you put them like that. Then you do this. Got these like slanted pieces. Put them in the front like that. And then you don't need this piece. Just throw that away.
Oh!
Well, don't literally throw
Luca,
it
Ginger
away.
went straight to that. Come here.
But like you throw it. And then that is how you make a Lego motorcycle. And please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.